So some people were mad about my AC50S video, saying that I did not test it thoroughly enough, and they thought that I'm getting paid by Jackery. And I can assure you that I'm not getting paid by Jackery or anybody else. I don't like this unit or the Jackeries, and next week I'm going to make a DIY build that destroys all of these for the same price. And not only will it have a higher cycle life count with the chemistry that I plan to use, but I will actually pull full capacity from the AC output. And my DIY build will handle way more solar panel power than all of these. And I'm not a fanboy for Bluetti or Jackery because most of these things are relabeled toys. This feels like a toy. And after living off-grid for 9 years, I would never ever depend on these cheap little systems for my electrical needs, ever. I know some people out there have gotten accustomed to using these cheap units and they'll say, oh, it works fine for me. But after personally doing DIY builds that are 100 times more powerful and reliable, redundant, and I can swap out parts, this to me is a joke. And when my DIY build video comes out, if you disagree with my design or the output, please build something better. I challenge you. I love competition. The fact that we pulled 50% at the AC output is an absolute joke. Also, I'm not a Bluetti fanboy. These units can be found on AliExpress for the same price that Max Oak Bluetti is selling them for. Even their older models can be found on AliExpress and through other distributors. Max Oak Bluetti is just the most successful distributor. They've amassed the most amount of reviews on Amazon and a lot of people know their name. But I can find this unit and other Bluetti Max Oak units with different names. They're not special. I personally do not feel the need to support any distributor long term. When it comes to distributors, whichever one has the lowest price and the best customer service is the one that I'm going to go with. It seems like Jackery has that best all around. It does not mean that I like Jackeries. There are like 10 or 20 videos of me bashing on them. Okay, I'm not getting paid by anybody. I dislike all of them and I'm going to destroy them with a DIY build next week. Also, I'm not on contract with any company. The only way I make money off of these reviews is through affiliate programs. And what that means is that if I do not like this company because the customer service sucks or something else, I can just jump on a different distributor that has the same unit. Because these are relabeled, I can jump on a new distributor in 2 seconds and change out my links. Even with Victron, if I do not like one of the distributors, I'll just find another distributor with an affiliate program. I have absolutely zero distributor loyalty. But when a manufacturer such as Victron consistently makes high quality products, it's easy for me to give a recommendation in that instance. But who I link to has nothing to do with that. Typically has more to do with customer service and doing fast, easy returns. And a higher payout. Some of these sites do not pay out that much at all, and they have horrible customer service. So for me and the affiliate payouts, it has to do more with what the customer is going to see and have to deal with, not the other way around. That's why a lot of my videos cover that aspect of it. And I'm sure some people do like this. I mean, you do have a regulated output, and if you're not using the inverter and you're just charging your phone, this could work great. And some people even said that they got this on sale. So if you got this for super cheap and your needs are very low, then this could work just fine. For me personally, and after living off-grid for 9 years, I would never consider this in a billion years, okay? Personally, absolutely not. And if you're just charging up your phone, you might as well just get a USB battery bank for like 30 bucks and use that instead and use your alternator to charge it. Some people will disagree with me, but yeah, I wouldn't waste my time. You know how much these cost? I mean, these are expensive. I don't want people wasting their money on something that is severely underpowered. Anyways, if you guys disagree with me again, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Anyways, more videos to come on this. I will talk to you guys soon, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.